Hey Puzzle Masters, welcome back to the channel. Lately, I've been seeing this trick popping up all over the internet. People are saying you can get unlimited coins in Match Factory using just your phone. No PC, no complicated steps, nothing tricky. Honestly, I was super skeptical at first. I mean, in Match Factory, coins are earned the hard way, so this sounded too good to be true. But curiosity got the better of me, and I had to see if it actually worked. In this video, I'm going to take you through exactly what I did, step by step, and show you the results at the end. Let's find out if this coin hack really delivers. The first thing you'll need is your player ID. You can usually find this in your profile section or somewhere in the settings menu. I found mine pretty fast and copied it so I could use it later. Nothing is confusing here, it's a quick and easy step. Next, I opened my phone's web browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should be fine. Then I searched for the site people are mentioning. They've got all kinds of mods and hack tools for popular mobile games. When the page loaded, there weren't any annoying pop-ups or weird redirects. It actually looked clean and normal, which I wasn't expecting. Next, I selected my platform. I'm playing on Android, but there was also an option for iOS, which was nice to see. After that, I pasted in my player ID and double-checked that everything looked correct. Once I tapped continue, the site started a short loading process with some smooth animations. Nothing lagged or froze, it all worked smoothly. Then it asked how many resources I wanted. For testing purposes, I chose the maximum amount just to see what would happen. After confirming, a few progress bars showed different steps being completed. Everything was clearly explained and easy to follow. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains exactly what to do, so it wasn't confusing at all. I already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead to the results. To see if it actually worked, I jumped back into Match Factory and checked my coins. And they were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting for anything to load. Everything updated instantly like a perfectly timed match clearing the board. Honestly, I wasn't expecting it to happen that fast, and it totally caught me off guard. So based on my test, the method worked just like it was described. The steps were simple, the site was mobile-friendly, and everything was easy to follow as long as you take your time. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this yourself, leave a comment and tell me how it went. I check them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.